Get back to the markets now. Anuj is here with us to give us a quick trade setup. Anuj is looking good. Buy on dips is something that has worked. But, we have a couple of big triggers lined up, right? There's TCS later in the evening. How are the markets going to look at that?
Yes, Sonia, absolutely. I think my sense is that the market may have now started a fresh move towards all-time high. And I won't be surprised if you hit an all-time high in October itself. And the reason for that is whenever you make a bottom with the bad news, that normally is a sign for the market that it's going up. And the market's got a real bad news in terms of that conflict. And after that, you saw that big slide in bond yields, which was the trigger for global markets to also revive. And now, what the market has also done is yesterday's high has negated the 3 or 4 negative days of the series, and we have made a fresh high for the series, which is always positive technically. Next level to watch is a 50% retracement zone of the entire fall, which comes in at 19,814 on the Nifty. Maybe we revisit that very soon. On the Nifty, the first support now is 19,650, which is the falling 20-day exponential moving average. Now that we have crossed it, it will be a support instead of resistance. And the bigger support is 19,565, which is yesterday's low. On the upside, the first resistance is 19,766, which is the breakdown zone. And the bigger resistance going by options is 19,833, which also coincides with that 50% retracement zone. If you cross 19,833, another upswing is possible. On the Bank Nifty, where we expected some kind of short covering yesterday, we are very close to some big moving averages. In fact, 3 moving averages are placed within 200 points. 10-day MA at 44,428, the 20-day exponential moving average at 44,529, and the 50-day exponential moving average placed at 44,641. So maybe you want to see if 44,641 is crossed, maybe then that leads to further short covering. On the downside, 2 support levels, 44,270, the 100-day exponential moving average, and the bigger support, of course, 44,004, yesterday's low. But let's see, of course, today's TCS numbers as well. So the market would try to preempt that as well in the last hour of trade.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Anuj.